beautiful volunteer tomato plants that have taken over my raised bed of potatoes. These are cherry tomatoes that I grew a couple years ago, I guess. And then I have the cherry tomatoes that I planted that are yellow, pear, I don't know, sun gold, something or other. I see a caterpillar. And then my feed bucket. There's another one right there. No, 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 no. Now I'm going to have to look. We had rain. Surely it hadn't washed the BT off that fast in their own hair. But anyway, just a little garden update. Oregano. Elderberry starts. My one lone strawberry. This is sage, and it looks kind of pitiful, like it needs something. It's kind of not the right color green. And then my garlic and my walking onions that are starting to get ready to walk. Woohoo! I have been fighting caterpillars and fighting caterpillars on this, my elderberries. And now they are starting to bloom. So I'm going to stay on top of it. There's a bloom way up there at the top. One right there. Now you can see it. There's one up there at the top. They're just now starting to put their blooms on. It's not going to focus on it, but there it is. So, okay, there is a caterpillar that has died from the spray BT. He is just still hanging on, but he's a crispy critter. And that bucket was empty yesterday. This is what my garden looks like after 10 plus inches of rain overnight. Corn, it's leaning, but it can be stood back up. Need to get some of those electric fence posts or something in there. The ground is just wet. All the dirt is compacted. Nothing's fluffy anymore. We had some hail, but not very much, and I don't think it was very big, so my potatoes are blooming. I'll tack this on to my other garden update video. That's what it looks like. It's still draining. Cucumbers are looking good. I need to come out here and like raise these up and get them where they can tie on to something so they're not on the ground. No. I just kind of poke them in most of the time. There we go.